Are you a biological family member of the person getting NextStep DX Plus whole exome testing? If so, there are reasons you may want to provide a sample to assist in the testing process. By providing your sample, it can help the lab determine the meaning of certain genetic changes found in the child. It can also determine whether the family member carries the same genetic change. Also, submitting family member samples will overall decrease interpretation time, which allows you to get results sooner. If possible, we recommend that the child's birth mother and birth father submit samples. Here is the process to collect the saliva and cheek swab cells from your mouth. Please do not have food or drink for 30 minutes before sample collection. Remove the swab from the packaging, then place the swab in the mouth in the lower gums on one side. Rub along the lower gums in a back and forth motion 10 times. Then repeat this on the opposite side another 10 times. Unscrew the blue lid, invert the swab into the fluid, and close the tube tightly. Then shake 10 times. Don't forget to write your first name, last name, and date of birth on the outside of the cheek swab tube. Place the swab in the provided box and place the box in the poly bag that contains the return shipping label. Drop the package off at a U.S. Postal Service location or schedule a pickup online on my.lineagen.com/nsdx, or you can call us at 801-931-6200. Remember, family member samples must be returned within 2 weeks of the child's sample. Do you have questions about the testing that was ordered for your child? Here are some common questions you may want to ask. What does the test look for? What can I expect in the test results? What are the benefits of testing? What conditions can the test diagnose? Genetic counselors are available to answer your questions before testing or after you get your results from your child's doctor. You can reach a Lineagen genetic counselor at 801-931-6191. Telephone genetic counseling sessions can be scheduled between 6:30 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time.